The BERNY Automatic Diving Watch for men, model AM439MS, is a timepiece that combines durability, precision, and aesthetic appeal. Powered by the Japan Miyota 8215 automatic movement, it ensures reliable and accurate performance, with a travel time accuracy ranging from -20 to +40 seconds per day. This movement supports both self-winding and manual winding methods, making it a practical choice for enthusiasts who appreciate mechanical craftsmanship. The watch features a sapphire glass lens with an internal AR coating, providing high light transmittance and excellent scratch resistance. This reduces glare and enhances visibility in various lighting conditions. The super luminous hands and hour markers ensure readability even in complete darkness or underwater, while the 60-minute inner rotating bezel and dual fluorescence hands provide clear and intuitive time tracking. These features make it an excellent companion for divers and adventurers who rely on precise time-keeping in challenging environments. Designed with an exhibition back cover, the watch allows users to admire the intricate mechanics within. The stainless steel case and strap contribute to its robust build, offering a sleek yet durable structure. With a 42mm case diameter, 48mm lug-to-lug measurement, and a thickness of 13.5mm, the watch strikes a balance between bold presence and comfortable wear. The two screw-down crowns enhance its water resistance, ensuring a secure fit and improved diving performance. With a waterproof rating of 200 meters, 20 ATM, this watch is built for professional diving. The folding safety buckle ensures a secure grip on the wrist, while the 195mm maximum wearable length accommodates various wrist sizes. Weighing 192 g, it delivers a solid, substantial feel without compromising on comfort.